Happening today, the second of two public comment sessions on the new Ala Wai flood risk management draft report. Today's meeting will be held virtually on Webex, allowing community members to weigh in on proposed actions mitigating future flood hazards. The current tentative plan includes proposals to build a detention basin and install concrete flood walls along Woodlawn Drive, that's near Kaimuki High School. Tonight's remote session will run from 5:30 to 8:30. Members of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and Honolulu City officials will be hosting the meeting. Meanwhile, the official public comment period closes on January 8th.